Hello, this is Miss Janet again with JLS Success Central, and welcome to my channel. We are that channel that focuses on building your credit, increasing your scores, and focusing on your financial planning. So today we're going to talk about bad credit, though. We're going to talk about the elephant in the room, bad credit. Now, if you have bad credit, I know you're at a disadvantage, and I know you want to get it fixed really, really quickly, but it doesn't work like that. To turn a bad credit profile into a good credit profile, it doesn't happen overnight. It takes time. And one of the best vehicles that I know to turn that ship around is a credit union credit builder loan. Yes. Having relationships with financial institutions like banks and federal credit unions, it can change the trajectory of your life, because especially credit unions, they offer so much more than credit builder loans. They offer so much more than Visa cards. They have financial literacy classes. They have all types of webinars. They have information about your credit and how to keep your credit intact and how to protect your credit. It's just so much. They have insurance products. They have all types of connections as it pertains to shopping and so on and so forth, because you're a community. So credit unions, to have a relationship with a credit union that will work with you to help you build your credit, is invaluable. The first one, I'm going to talk to you about two credit unions today, and both of them have a pretty nice limit, okay? I want to start with the first one. It's Astera. Now, they are in Lansing, Michigan, but they serve, oh my goodness, it's a lot of counties. It's multiple counties that they serve, and some cities that are not in Michigan, little states around Michigan. So if you go to the website, and I'll leave the link below, you go to the website and you can check it out and see if you live in the area, or if you have a family member that's a member of this credit union, or you can join by joining an organization that is set up so that you can become part of this credit union. All right. Now let me get to the meat of the matter here. Now it says, boost your credit score. Tired of getting turned down for loans? Take control of your credit. I always say this: take control of your credit and protect your credit, because you take care of your credit's going to take care of you. So let's get down here and look at this. Now here's an overview. Flexible loan terms, affordable payments, low fixed rate, and it earns interest. So their description of the credit builder loan. Have you been turned down for a loan due to your credit score being low? Whether your score is suffering because you've hit a rough patch, or you're just starting to build your credit, Astera's credit builder loan may be the answer to get you on track. So look at this. Now you're not going to believe this. I called them, and look at this. Loan amount, $10,000. You're like, they got a $10,000 credit builder loan? When I spoke to the customer service person, I was told that it's $5,000. But I told her online it says $10,000, and she says that's based on your Experian report. So they do run a hard pull on your credit. Once you become a member and you decide you want to do this, there will be a hard pull Experian. But it has a lot to do with how much you earn, your debt to income ratio. But I'm just preparing you for this. If you go on this site and see this $10,000, I'm just telling you what the customer service person told me. She told me 5,000. So that's what I'm going to go with. But I was just preparing you if you went to the site. Okay. And as I told you, they use Experian, but they have so many products, just like all credit unions do. All right. So let's go to the next one. And this one is Insight. They're in Florida. Here and again, they cover a lot of counties in Florida. So you'll have to go on the website and check out, the membership requirement or eligibility, and it will tell you. But it has a lot of counties, and there's also, as usual, a nonprofit organization that you can join. That you can that way you can join as a member if you don't have anyone that's already a member, or if you don't live in that immediate area or the counties, one of the counties that they have set forth. So let's get busy with this one. Now, here and again, I'm just going to go right here. They have a 4% APR, fixed monthly payment, no minimum credit score required. Now, hold up. That doesn't mean no credit check. They run Experian. They do a hard inquiry, okay, when you decide you want to move forward with this. But they give you a lot of information to help you make up your mind, so you're not just squandering your inquiries. I even asked, what's the minimum credit score? And the person that I was speaking with was unable to tell me, but he assured me that a loan officer, once I became a member, a loan officer would be detailed about, your credit score and so on and so forth. So you won't get a hard inquiry needlessly. What I say? No loan prepayment penalties. Minimum loan, $1,000, maximum $5,000. Minimum term, 12 months. Maximum 60 months. Now, 60 months, that's like a car note. That's a long time. But the thing about credit builder loans, you want to pay them over a period. I don't know about 60 months, but you want to pay them over a period so you can establish a positive payment history. And this is what bumps your scores up, So, and your payments of $18.42 to $85.15 per thousand borrowed. And look at this. Collections, discharge bankruptcies, and foreclosures do not, did you hear me? Do not prohibit approval for this loan. So here's another credit union that has all types of services for you, and they want your business. If you have a credit union or a financial institution that has a program designed for you, why not check them out? Why not check them out? And as I said, I will have the links in my comments below. So if you like this type of information, please press the like button and comment, please. Please give me a comment. Let me know what I'm doing, what you like. If you want me to do something, if you want me to discuss another financial topic or credit repair or credit increase or credit building, just let me know. Just let me know. And if you haven't done so already, press the subscribe button so you can stay abreast of what's going on with JLS Success Central. Hey, this is Miss Janet. I'll see you in a couple of days. Grace and peace. Miss Janet out.